Hey everyone, Pete from London Camera Exchange, and today Fujifilm have announced the world's first f1.0 autofocus lens for their mirrorless systems. I've been super lucky to get hands-on with a pre-production sample, and it's for what can only be described as an extremely limited time. But with that being said, here it is, the Fujifilm XF 50mm F1.0 WR lens. Weighing in at a respectable 875 grams, this 50mm prime is a 76mm equivalent at 35mm. You get an incredibly high quality image thanks to the internal construction of the lens, consisting of 12 lens elements in a 9 group. This also contains one spherical element and 2 ED elements, allowing the lens to achieve the optimum control over spherical aberration. Producing extraordinarily narrow depth of fields, the 50mm f1 has a rounded aperture diaphragm that creates a large, smooth bokeh for a professional look throughout many different subjects, from portraiture to lifestyle and more. With the wide f1 aperture, the 50mm is great for low light shooting, allowing more light in than any other XF lens, lets the 50mm capture in darker environments. Being that wide, you can now autofocus down to -7 EV and get a fast and precise low light AF in near darkness. On brighter days, you can switch this around by cranking up your shutter speeds and freezing any movement in your images, yet still achieve detail-rich results thanks to using that low ISO. Taking advantage of on-sensor phase detection, face and IAF, and a powerful DC motor, you can now easily focus at that shallow depth of field with a close focus of 0.7 meters. Now, shallow depth of fields have never been that easy to focus at, but thanks to a new focus ring that is 8 times more accurate than previous XF lenses, the 50mm can be focused very precisely. Keeping up with the higher XT range of cameras, the 50mm has 11 seal protection against both dust and moisture, along with being capable of handling temperatures down to -10 Celsius. With an incredible edge-to-edge sharpness, the XF 50mm f1 results in some smooth and beautiful bokeh, whether you are shooting portraits or lifestyle images where the background just simply fades away. If you'd like any more information, please check out the link below or head into your local London Camera Exchange.